Mga kaibigan, may tao sa kabilang line, nasa Maynila po siya kaya, but sabi niya sa kabilang line, kanina habang ni-interview ko siya para kunin yung details, sa daw ay originally from US but pinanganak dito. So mga kaibigan, would like to call in mga kaibigan the Bacon Power. Alam niyo naman mga kapatid, hindi ako nakapag-bacon kanina. Oh my God. Pero gagawa tayo ng orasyon para masabayan natin English to mga kaibigan. Ha? Hanya man eh. Hanya man na. Okay na. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening. What's your name?
Kathy.
I'm bleeding already.
Oh, I can speak Tagalog. It's okay. I'm fluent in speaking Tagalog.
Talaga? Marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
Yes, marunong ako mag-Tagalog.
Ako hindi ko pero pipilitin ko na lang, okay?
Sige.
Arte ko.
Oh my God, I'm nervous, Papa Jack.
Me too, I'm nervous.
We're both nervous. Oh my God, my knees are shaking.
Oh my God, what did you do?
Actually, I was, trying to contact you and while driving, but right now I'm nakapark na ako.
Alright, nasa ka nakapark ngayon banda? Huwag mo na sabihin. Lock your doors, okay?
Sige, yeah, it's locked.
Baka pasukin niya ni Ceylon.
Sino si Ceylon?
You don't know Ceylon Jing?
Oh yeah, I know Ceylon Jing.
Have you seen him?
We're good friends.
Talaga?
Yes.
Wala, Ceylon Jing, kilala ka. Patay ka sa girlfriend mo. Paano mo siya nakilala?
Well, just ask him. He's the guy, so he's the perfect to ask, not me.
Oh my God! Ceylon Jing, may katotohanan ba ito?
Yeah.
Ano yung medium ng communication ninyo?
Well, actually, it's my second time to call in a radio station.
Araw na yon.
They're all good.
Gusto mo matawagin ko sila ngayon? Gusto mo tawagin ko sila? Nandito, walking distance lang. Nasa kabilang kwarto lang sila.
It's up to you. I'm fine with that.
Sige mamaya ha. Sabihin ko, kayong dalawa, ina-choose nyo yung caller ha.
Hindi, they're good. They're nice.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Yeah, they are really nice.
Yeah.
And actually, off air, they actually told me to call you, but I'm really having a hard time to contact.
Well, anyway, Kathy, let's proceed.
Yeah, it's Catherine Nina.
Catherine Nina.
Yeah, I have a pretty long name, but you can just call me Catherine or Nina. Or Nin. That's fine.
All right. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get down to business. Would that be okay?
That's okay.
All right. Okay. Kathy, tell me your story now.
Well, actually, the reason why I called is I really need an opinion of a person na hindi ko kaibigan. So it's the same scenario that I will share. I'm still having a problem of moving on.
All right.
Okay. So,
Karoon ka ng karelasyon dati?
Yeah.
Gaano katagal ng tinagal ng relasyon?
It's almost years din naman.
Be specific. Gaano katagal yung years na?
2 years. Like 3 years.
2 taon. Anong klaseng relasyon meron kayo? Long distance or?
No, it's not. It's not long distance. It's actually, ka-office mate ko siya.
Saan? Sa abroad dito?
No, here in Manila.
Here in Manila. Okay.
Tapos, since it's bawal, so we try to keep it secret because I'm working in a multinational company.
Multinational company?
Yeah.
So, kumbaga, company rules and regulation, dapat hindi magkaroon ng? Dapat walang?
Mapa-asawa, one must go.
So, nag-break kayo when?
Nag-break kami for 6 months ago na. 6 months actually.
Why?
It's simply because like I've shared before, last 2010, so it was really a tough year for me because last September my dad was 50-50 mode. And
how was your dad right now?
He's doing okay.
Okay, good.
He's doing well.
Good to hear that.
Tapos, basta lahat ng months na yun, as in super, walang tawag dito. Walang parang problem na hindi nangyari. So like, October, I was hospitalized and my lolo was passed away. My lolo passed away, November, basta ang dami.
Congratulations, Kathy.
Oo nga, meron akong award winning.
No, you're through. Nalagpasan mo.
Yeah, but actually, meron akong isang isi-share na hindi ko na-level noong nakaraan. Kasi, I don't know, iba kasi yung mode kasi dun sa isang station. kasi it's more happy-happy. So, you know, they made me happy.
Teka lang, sabi ni Ceylon Ching, bakit daw di ka nagre-reply sa mga message niya?
I did. But she sent me a message really late. I'm supposed to place an ad.
Oh, try to body poke him daw later.
Sure.
Okay, let's go down to you. Go back to your story.
Okay, so...
Sino nakapag-iwalay?
Siya. Nag-usap kami. We talk. We actually talk.
Sino nakapag-iwalay? Siya.
Yeah, siya.
Bakit daw?
He become honest naman. Because he fell in love with someone kasi.
So, na-fall out of love sa'yo?
Na-fall out of love. Tapos, kasi before mo ng breakup, so parang we try to keep it secret, then I transfer in another company para we're trying to, parang to resolve the issue na we don't want to keep it secret.
Kumbaga, lesser pressure, di ba?
Para at least parang we can do a storyline na this happened, parang ganon start over yung mangyayari. Kaya lang, since na nangyari yung problems last year.
Teka lang, yung paglipat mo ba sa company, nagbigay ba sa kanya ng puwang para makakita ng iba kasi nga lumayo ka sa kanya?
Hindi pa naman. So we're doing okay that time na paglipat sa company. Hello?
So na sinabi niya sa'yo na, Kathy, I fall in love with someone else. Anong sabi mo sa kanya?
Sabi ko, why? Tinanong ko lang kung bakit.
Did you honestly think na may sagot yung tanong na yun?
Well,
looking back.
He became, honest lang na he fell in love. Kasi, yung scenario kasi, parang hindi ko kasi siya naasikaso talaga that time.
Totoo ba yun?
Tapos, bumalik kasi ako ulit sa company ko, nag-consultancy ako. So, since, it's still bawal, so parang, diba nga nung lumipat ako, the reason why I transfer is, aside for a good offer, so parang, then nangyari yung problems na last year. So, kailangan ko mag-2 jobs kasi my dad need to undergo operation that time.
Okay.
So, since na nag-consultancy ako doon, so it's the same role. Tapos hanggang sa, so become busy kasi sunod talaga.
Kathy?
Yeah.
Let's talk about the details mamaya. What's your question tonight?
My question is, I'm still having a hard time to move on. I'm still recognizing the pain. Although, like your friends out there.
So you're recognizing the pain. So inaamin mo na masakit.
I don't know what to do. Yeah, it's still painful.
Totoo ba yun? Kasi sa akin pananaw, pag inaamin mo masakit, mas madaling mag-move on.
But I actually don't know. I really don't know what to do.
Iba kasi yung inaamin mo masakit, doon, iba yung inaamin mo masakit, di ba? Kaysa doon sa idea na itinatanggi mong nasasaktan ka at kaya mo. Iba yun eh. There's a very thin line between those two. So, hindi ka makapag-move on ngayon.
Yeah, I'm still hurt like every time I see him.
Question, Kathy. If tonight, pag-uwi mo ng bahay, makikita mo siya nakaupo sa salas ng bahay niyo. And he would tell you, hey Kathy, I want you back in my life. Ano magiging sagot mo?
Well, maybe I would say yes.
No, give me a definite answer.
Maybe yes.
Do you think mangyayari pa yun? Honestly?
No.
Ha?
No.
So, ikaw na nagasabi sa akin ngayon, Kathy? Ikaw na nagasabi sa akin ngayon na hindi ka na niya babalikan.
Yeah.
I love you most. We share a place.
At hindi ka makapag-move on.
Actually, honestly, I've tried naman everything to, like I've tried to get busy. I enrolled myself in different short courses.
Yan ang problema, Kathy eh. Alam mo, minsan kasi ganito, sabihin mo sa akin kung tama ako, ha? Pag mo nang sabihin niya ang sitwasyon mo. Just tell me kung magiging tama to. Kung mag-fit in sa itong sabihin ko, okay lang?
Sige po.
Pag nasaktan tayo ng sobra kasi, alam mo ang ginagawa natin, we don't take time to stop, pause for a while, and recognize the pain. Alam mo anong ginagawa natin? Immediately, we want to keep ourselves busy.
Yeah, correct. Agree.
Yan ba yung nangyari sa'yo?
Yeah.
You never had the chance na umiyak talaga para sa kanya kasi immediately busy ka. Umiyak ka man, hindi sapat.
I did. Actually, I cried a lot. I spent time in ball alone. And,
Kathy, crying a lot does not mean you've cried enough. Sometimes a lot is not enough. Never enough. It might be a lot. Pero naiiyak mo ba yung tama? The right amount of tears na para masabi ng sarili mo sa'yo na it's over. Kasi alam mo, Kathy, ang pag-move on, parang immune system yan eh. Diba? Pag sobrang sakit na, diba, your heart will tell you, oops, teka lang. I'm having so much pain in here. You might wanna find out, diba? Someone new, something new, para kahit pa paano, masave mo ako. If there's not enough pain, not enough pain, kasi baka mamaya iniiyak mo lang, iniiyak mo yung yung absence niya. Pero hindi mo iniisip kung paano, how to move on, and that I cannot describe sa'yo. You have to discover it yourself.
Pero you're correct naman din, Papa Joe. Sometimes, minsan iniisip ko na parang, oh my God, you're pathetic. I mean, nothing will happen anymore. So stop hoping. Kaya lang, I don't know, my heart keeps on hurting eh.
Anong ginawa mo sa mga pictures niya? Tinago mo ba?
I did. I'm leaving the country like on Friday.
Alam mo, minsan mali yan. Tinatago mo yung pictures? Mas madali pag nakikita mo araw-araw. You get used to it until it feels ordinary.
Really?
Yeah. Kasi alam mo yun, nandun kasi yung mystery, di ba? Halimbawa, naghiwalay kayo and you love the guy so much, tama? Tinoob mo lahat ng pictures. Ayaw makita kasi it will make you cry. You were afraid. Huwag mong sabihin sa akin, di ba, na you recognize the pain. No. Kung hindi mo sinanay yung sarili mo sa idea na itong taong ito ay part na ng alaala mo, tinoob mo lahat ng pictures, lahat ng alaala, pwede magpayak sa'yo, iniwasan mo, then you are not really moving on. You are denying yourself. Diba? Doon sa idea na mapag-move on ka. You are not used to the idea na he's no longer yours. Can you tell him now pag nagkasalubong kayo na may ka-holding nga sa iba na, hey, I'm happy for you. Nang totoo, nang totoong-totoo. Can you tell him that?
I'm happy for him.
Yung totoo, galing sa puso ba yan? O gusto mo lang sabihin?
To be honest,
yeah. Magsinungaling ka. Siyempre, to be honest, ano ka ba?
Sorry. Siguro, I'm trying to participate with your advice. Because, this is my goal talaga to make my mind really up. But
can you tell him that?
I'm really in pain. If, I've been crying a lot. And, actually, it's not really it's a good thing that there's a radio station like with your sister company and your radio station. And that's why sorry to offend anyone, but, I feel frustrated because I have no one to share.
I'm here.
Pain.
We are here.
Yeah, that's why I'm happy. And, basta nahihirapan ako. It's hard to explain, but
alright, ganito, alam mo, ito, I sense na sa usapan na lang natin ngayon, nahihirapan ka maging totoo sa sasabihin mo sa akin. Okay, kung hindi man sa maging totoo, nahihirapan ka magkwento sa akin. You hold a lot inside. Am I right?
Yeah.
Alright, anong pangalan? What's the first name?
Land.
Ha?
Land.
Ano po ulit?
It's Land.
Land.
Yeah.
Ano tawagan niyo?
Babe.
Babe?
Yeah.
Bago tayo tumulay, gusto ko malaman exactly how you feel para sa kanya. Okay lang ba?
Honestly, happy ako kasi I'm seeing now growing and happy with the girl. Actually, the girl is our former HR.
Ano ka happy